Have you ever wondered why your eyes close every single time you sneeze? It's a powerful reaction that you just can't stop. Even if you try your hardest to keep them open, they'll snap shut. That's because your brain triggers a complex reflex involving your facial muscles. A sneeze can blast air out at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. Closing your eyes helps protect them from those fast-moving particles. Your body handles the protection automatically so you don't have to think about it. Welcome to Day 9 of learning science you see every day. Follow for more.